StressCrete Group is a turnkey solutions provider delivering custom products that fit a variety of needs from street lighting, utility transmission and distribution structures, to sports lighting assemblies, small cell solutions for telecoms, and specialty poles for CCTV, high mast, and flagpoles. We are comprised of 4 vertically integrated divisions: StressCrete, Luminaire, KingCast, and Spartan Sports Lighting, that are fiercely committed to doing impeccable custom work across a variety of market segments without compromise. All of our solutions are proudly 100% North American designed and manufactured. Established in 1953, StressCrete is the oldest and most experienced manufacturer of spun concrete poles in North America, operating from 3 North American facilities strategically located in Alabama, Kansas, and Ontario. From here, we serve customers across the continent with the broadest, most diverse range of made-to-order, pre-stressed spun concrete poles. We believe form and function should always coexist, and that's why every product we make is customized to meet the needs of our customers, from color, shape, length, and finish, all meeting our high standard for quality. We also stand behind our work without question and provide a lifetime warranty on every single one of our products. Luminaire proudly manufactures a comprehensive assortment of high-performance outdoor lighting products in the USA. Our entire production process, custom LED arrays, CNC machining, acrylic, glass, and polycarbonate globes, powder coating, and a third-party NV LAP certified lab are located in-house in our Ohio facility, making it easy for us to meet a vast range of lighting design requirements in a pinch. In Ontario, Luminaire's skilled team of metal fabricators, certified welders, CNC machinists, plasma cutters, and in-house powder coating experts produce metal poles, pole arms, and custom designs to accessorize StressCrete concrete poles and Luminaire's lighting solutions, while also providing custom products to external third-party customers. KingCast designs and produces zinc and aluminum permanent cast products, as well as expanding our reach to outside industries such as transportation, energy, utility, and many others. KingCast provides a seamless flow from initial design and tooling to cast products and powder coat finishing in-house with end-to-end machining. With all of these services fully integrated, StressCrete Group is well positioned to respond to changing customer requests while also expanding to new and growing areas of business. Spartan Sports Lighting provides a complete turnkey solution for any application regardless of field type, size, level of play, or existing site amenities. Manufactured in the United States and easy to install, Spartan Sports Lighting combines the strength of StressCrete concrete poles with the ingenuity of the Luminaire built and developed Stratos Sports Light to bring a complete solution to the sports lighting market. StressCrete Group is a family business first. We operate according to our purpose, a family business focused on creating opportunities for our employees and improving the communities we serve. Our vision, building the foundation of enhanced, more livable cities, and our shared company values. Our goal is to exceed customer expectations with world-class service and innovative solutions every single time. We are a solutions-based company that maintains a long list of lifelong customers while always on the lookout for new and exciting areas to grow.